Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Lola here. Today's video is just going to be something a little bit different. This is not a makeup tutorial or anything like that. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. I just wanted to do something really quick to help anybody out. Since we've got downtime, you can learn how to clean brushes. But I hope you guys like it and it was informative. Thank you.
Okay, today's tutorial is going to be a little bit different. This is just going to be how I clean my brushes, clean and sanitize all my brushes. Please forgive my busted ass nails. I can't even blame the shutdown. I just haven't gotten my nails done in so many months, it doesn't even make sense. Anyway, yes, so this is going to be a video about how I clean and sanitize all my brushes. And you just need a couple of things. I set up a towel, like a clean towel in my bathroom, put it on the counter because I laid these out to dry. So you just need alcohol. I use 91% just to make sure I'm cleaning and killing all the bacteria. It's very important, especially in a time like now. And then I just use like some regular dish soap, usually not this one, but this is what I have available. Usually I use like the blue one, that's like the original with no dyes and all that other stuff. But yeah, this will work too, that's fine, because I use this before I use the alcohol to sanitize. And I usually have a spray bottle with alcohol in it. I use that to spray down like the brush handles and everything else, but I can't find it, so we are just going to go with this. And here's my little cuppies, they're so cute. All right guys, be right back 1 second. I'm gonna set up my camera, get us a good little angle going. Hopefully my phone doesn't fall because that would be a disaster. Okay, so we're gonna get that set up. All right, I just had to go grab this. This is the other thing that I use. This is like a textured like rubber mat. This is actually from Walmart and it was probably like $1 and some change. I know a lot of makeup companies make these for brush cleaning, but theirs are like much more expensive. I've seen some for like $20. Go to Walmart, they're the same thing. It's a textured mat. You use it for like pot holders and just like pulling things out of the oven. Well, not pulling things out of the oven, but like keeping hot things on these. So yeah, much cheaper, same effect. Alright, so go get in your bed. And I'm just taking the brush and drying it. Next one. far, these are all the brushes that I've cleaned. I didn't really clean this one or these ones just because I haven't really used these 3 down here. They're just kind of a little bit stained. I just have to probably wipe them down with some alcohol. But these are the ones I've cleaned so far. They're pretty good. They'll all be dry in the morning. I know I'm making a video. Go lay down. Go lay down.
Mommy video.
Go lay down. Yes, mommy's video. Okay. The alcohol not only helps with sanitation for all of the brushes, but it also helps with getting them dry quicker. These also dry really quickly when wiped down or sprayed with alcohol. So I just kind of do this after like I pour the alcohol. Like I said, I usually have a spray bottle. So I usually spray the bristles and then I wipe them off like this, and then just kind of get like any excess like liquid out of it, just because you don't want to damage the brush. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna wash a couple of bigger like eyeshadow brushes. I usually gather these up and wash them like together in like groups, smallish large groups. Get a little bit of water on there. Soap, just very gently just kind of swirl the brushes on the pad till it's nice and sudsy. Kind of back and forth in circular motions, but again, very like soft and gentle. Don't want to mess up the brushes. Then we're going to rinse while swirling. All right, we're going to squeeze out the excess, and if any of them still are a little bit dirty, go back and a little bit of soap. Get the extra product off. All right, squeeze the water out of the brush, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and pour alcohol over the brushes, and I usually also wipe down the handles too, just to kind of make sure it's all sanitary. I hope you guys all really enjoyed this video and that it was informative and that you learned some new things. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I just wanted to do something a little bit different. You know, make a video about how I clean how I clean my brushes. If you guys have any other tips and tricks that you might know that I did not display, just let me know. I am always looking to learn new things. But I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for coming. Love you, rosebuds.